We are hosting a number of workshops, 2 with stakeholders and then later in the year 3 with the public. And I am leading on developing those workshops and running them to get both insight from the stakeholders who could be contributing data or working with the data, and then later on with the public to tell them and enable them to understand what we're doing and also give their input into the whole idea. I hope that the data springboard will achieve that there is a little bit more cohesion in the newly formed community around Strand Aldwych. That is consisting of all of these institutions that are there, but that haven't necessarily had the network amongst themselves in the past. I hope that there's going to be new solutions and new ideas that benefit the community, the people who live here, who work here, who commute through the area, and the people who are based around Strand Aldwych in general.